Okay, we're in Bigge Street, Liverpool. We're trying to locate the factory outlet. Sadly, the outlet is close to the Warwick train station. However, it's not staffed on the weekend, so I have to go to Liverpool and try to find my way all the way back. A few obstacles, footpaths are broken, not all the way down though. Bird poo stinks. Oh god, so much of it. Alright. Okay, this footpath looks alright. Nothing. Speed cameras, so this must be a main street. Westfield to the left, which we'll go to a bit later on. Already in Warwick Farm by the looks of it. Oh. Okay, I spoke too soon. This footpath is a little bit uneven, I guess we can say, not kindly. I just passed Sydney Southwest Private Hospital. There's a fair-sized hospital. Still heading along Bigge Street. when we end down the road here, I'll turn the camera off and try and get my bearings. I did say on the map before, the outlet shop was at the end of Bigge Street. Now we're actually on the intersection of Hume Highway and Bigge Street. So you can see there on the right, you go this way, head back, you go to Hume Highway. Other direction, Campbelltown and Canberra.